Doing photo and video work is pretty expensive. You have to pay for a lot of different things. And if you're buying stuff, then a lot of people end up getting stuff that they don't need and it won't make them any more money. So these are things that I bought, especially some affordable stuff that has paid off and has actually made me more money for what I paid for it. So let's kick things off. First is a tripod. Tripods, obviously, for the sake of literally me making this video and just using it at events, you have something that you can always put another camera on and you don't have to worry about it and it'll be exactly the height that you want it to. So that's something that really pays off and it's almost like a second person without having to pay them or without having to do anything extra. Now, similar to that is light stands. Now, light stands will always be good too because you can put lights. So you can put lights or flashes on the stands and then you don't have to worry about them and you just have to make sure that they're... Now light stands are also really important because hence this video you can see the lighting is great and I don't have to hold it, so it's way better, you get great quality, and whether it be for this YouTube video or events, it always pays off. Now next is lenses, but two specific lenses I really like have paid off. Now next thing is lenses, and there's 3 lenses that I recommend that I've made a video about in the past, but I'm just going to quickly touch on them here. So first is the 50mm, which is the one I'm recording on right now, so you can see how great the quality is. Also just because it's so versatile, you can do portraits with it, you can do close-up macro photography, you can do a bunch of different things. You can do close-up macro photography and videography. It's so useful and I've used it so many times for different projects and different things and I made money from using it and it's very inexpensive to get to. Now the other 2 lenses are the 24-70, which is literally one of the best lenses I've ever had. It's so versatile because you can use it for weddings, you can use it for a lot of different things. It'll cover a lot of the distance that you need, so you can be across the room and you can still get decent photos like wide shots, but you can go close up and still kind of be farther away and and still get a great shot. So you get a lot of cool different shots with that and it works really well on crop sensor and full frame as well. Next is 70-200, and this also is amazing because where the 24-70 doesn't cover, you get that long range as well. Now with the 24-70 and 70-200 setup, you basically have a massive coverage line, so you can get stuff that's close up, like you can zoom in all the way with the 70-200, but the 24-70 will get you your wide shots and like medium close shots. So you get a really good range and that's really paid off for me. Now next is a mic. The mic I'm using is the Comica, and any shotgun mic, but just mics in general always will pay off because whether you're doing video for like social media or if you're doing it for events and you need to be around, especially for lavaliers or shotgun mics where you can have the wireless, you don't have to mic someone up and risk something happening, so on and so forth. It just pays off immensely. So that stuff has really helped me grow my income as well. Now next, especially for photography, is a flash. Now flash is insanely important because especially now with mirrorless becoming really prominent, a lot of cameras don't come with an inbuilt flash anymore. So something like the T6i, which is what I'm recording on, will have flash, but it's again not going to be the best thing unless you really have to use it in a pinch. So the flash is really good. You can use it for like shutter drags and really cool photos, and it really freezes your photos in frame, and it's amazing. So getting a proper flash, especially one with the focus beam, will pay off immensely and it'll get you shots that you never thought you can get before. Before we continue on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And let's get right to the video. Now, another thing that's really helped me that I picked up recently is the Godox 8200 or the Flashpoint 200V. They're the same thing, they're just rebranded. Those things have made it really good because I can take group shots and get universal lighting pretty easily. So you can get one on each side and you get a really good, so I can get one on each side and you can get great lighting, and you can also have a really powerful lighting, so it syncs up really well. It's really fast. It's a strobe light, so you can do so much with it. And along with that is the softbox umbrella, and that's really cool because for portrait shots especially, you can be up close and you get some great shots. I'll put some picture on screen I took using it in almost pitch dark, and it did amazing. So that's something that's also really helped my quality and everything go up. And again, if quality goes up with what you make, then people are gonna like it and they're gonna potentially hire you, and it's just great and it looks professional too. The next one is not really a physical item, but it's obviously helped me a lot. So stuff like Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere, everything that is in the Adobe suite that most people use for creating content is super helpful because there's so many tutorials online that you can make really cool stuff with. It helps you put things together very seamlessly, and you have so much support online for it because it's been out for so long. There's so many different tutorials on it. So that's something that's really helped me get the quality I like, and obviously help increase my skills as well, which has led to certain projects and jobs, and it's just been amazing. And you can use all this stuff without having any prior knowledge, but the best thing is to learn how to do it and invest in whatever you're doing, because if you're investing in yourself, you're obviously gonna get ahead of people, especially a lot quicker. And last but not least, which is probably the most obvious one, are my cameras. So your camera is gonna have your lenses mounted and all your accessories, and without the camera and all this other stuff, nothing's gonna really work. So having a really great camera or even a DSLR, even a basic DSLR is amazing. So it's really helped me, and the camera I'm recording on right now is a T6i. It's pretty old now, so it's still really good at getting pretty decent quality, and it works nicely. And then my other camera, which I use for events and things, it's amazing, and I've already made the money back that I spent on it. So those are a few things that I personally think have really upgraded my value and also helped me make more money and have really paid back what I invested in them initially. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any other social media, it'll be right over here. Just hit me up there and feel free to contact me about any video ideas or anything that you want to know. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed it and got some value. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.